Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video. And today in this video I'm gonna sing a song again, since some of you are requesting me to come up with more hymnal songs and Angami songs. Today I am coming up with another Angami song, but no worries, I am giving the translation on the video and the Angami lyrics in the description below, so you can have a look and sing along with me. So yeah, before we head into the video, if you're new here, my name is Kenny and I come up with God-related videos that will help you in your spiritual growth. And in this channel, you will find motivational videos, motivational songs, gospel songs, Angami Song, and many more. So if that's something you need, make sure that you consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my upcoming new videos. So now, without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Kijü hanu thenou kesuo Zohu donunu keba Derei pelelie lhoushü Khunhie kerülei ngulie tatuo Kijü hanu zowe Miathuo khawa shierei kinyi ngulie mota Teigei Vieko liepie chülie Kephouma So that's the end of the song. I hope you have enjoyed watching my song. But yeah, I'm not a pro in editing, so there might be a little, mistakes or something like that. But yeah, I will make sure that I will come up with better videos. So yeah, do expect for another song, and I'll see you in the next video.